to talk about this morning with you is share some insight that we have in terms of what's happening in the market related to sustainability and the topic of green.
We'd like to make sure that the linkage between enterprise software and mobile is much more natural than just trying to imitate the PC on a mobile device.
It's a pile of people who don't really know much about each other, who have been thrown together at the last minute to try and come up with one of the best solutions you can come up in the least possible time.
My biggest interest was networking with the experts in the field.
And yeah, I was intrigued by the challenge of learning new technology and solving a problem in like 72 hours type thing.
Well, that's a common rule. The projects get delivered, most of the work gets done at the deadline. But over here, the start itself is the deadline.
From a purely organizational standpoint, we can give them an HTML interface that brings up a true Google map with Ajax and show them all the
And start to divide up the work, figure out what are the first steps that need to be done. And we go to lunch, because lunch is being served right now.
The board is inside a corporation to facilitate connections between the people.
In a market where there is right now no particular product which helps you do.
Consumer brings it back to the recycling center, we would again know with the number on the product that it basically completes the loop.
Well, I think it's great, and I also love the fact that you're kind of joining cloud computing in with on-premise behind the firewall.
So to sum up, we think we got a good idea, but we don't have a good pain point. We don't really understand what problem we're solving. It's like we have a solution looking for a problem.
The BlackBerry piece is definitely giving us some headaches, but nonetheless, the guy who's working on that is confident that he's going to have it working.
Mainly the fields which we need to show on the screen, the data type, and if it's mandatory or not. So these are only three main.
Okay, so now SVG file.
It's great, you know, we've been working so far very well, I think. We have good team synergy and good team dynamics. We understand each other and we don't fight too much.
But you have to do that anyways. When you're passing
you can regenerate the proxies.
You can regenerate the proxies, but you still have to modify it if anything materially changes.
Oh, which is the client.
Okay, so do you just want the header information or do you want
What is this?
Technical problems.
You can't open the type of file idea.
Yeah, we'll just physically move your computer over.
The access we can. Yeah.
Oh, there it is. You have all your services.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So all we have to. So now the key now is the pages are big, right? We'll just figure out how to make them smaller.
It has been a fascinating journey. Yesterday and the night. And today morning, I guess. So we started with something and we built on that, and we are actually, you know, we made quite good progress. So we are really happy.
I was having trouble even seeing what you were doing.
If you're out of time, then we don't do the technology.
Yeah, I'm a little bit worried that you may go along with some of the others, so you may just find places to tighten it up.
Perfect.
Ah, sorry man, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't have any access to the computer, maybe next time.
Oh no. So, we've got connectivity issues. We need to be able to glue that together.
You'll see my bank. Check with my BlackBerry to confirm my location.
This is updated in real time from a backend CRM system. And in the email has all the information necessary for them to determine whether or not they can successfully complete the task.
I'm going to check my BlackBerry with Project Green Drive and see if anyone wants to carpool with me. Oh, I see that Yui joined my group, and he's a friend of mine. I'll call him and carpool with him.
Okay, let's go.
Service, and what we're doing is we're actually doing address to GPS coordinate conversion, and this is getting him a list of all the carpools in Palo Alto.
And just like I'm a Facebook addict, John is actually an iPhone addict, so he added the widget to his iPhone, and it's showing where he is at in terms of carbon impact.
Bob's going to type look at my screen, and Intelcom is going to read that statement as well. Understand that he's trying to relay a screenshot. It's going to take the screenshot and send it, create a peer-to-peer connection, and send it over for Jeff to look at. And then you can see the screenshot with clips in the background.
That you've created some bonds here that hopefully will last a long time. And not only through friendship, but also in co-development and co-innovation. That's what it's all about.
And the third place is, it's easy. second place runner-up, Team Insomnia. Green soap. The winners, guys. First place, the Demo Challenge 2008. I'd like to welcome Binary Jammers with Carpool.